habits and their habits decide their futures. General public will have to pay 500 to 600 rupees for Oxford vaccine, said Adar Poonawalla. Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla today said that the Indian government will get the Oxford vaccine at the much cheaper rate and added that it will be available at 500 to 600 to the general public in India. After UK government clears Oxford vaccine for emergency authorization, we will apply for it too. It will take some time, he further said. India's new COVID-19 cases crossed 90 lakhs mark, 45,882 new COVID-19 cases reported. With 45,882 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, India's total tally has crossed the 90 lakh mark and now stands at 90 lakh 4,365. The total number of active cases has dropped to 4 lakhs 43,794, following 44,807 new discharges in the last 24 hours. With 584 COVID-19 deaths, India's total death count so far has reached 1,32,162. Our middle child wants to be Virat Kohli, said David Warner's wife Candice. Australian cricketer David Warner's wife Candice recently revealed that their middle child, 4 years old Indy Ray, is a Virat Kohli fan and likes to play as him whenever their family plays backyard cricket at home. She wants to be Kohli. She is the rebel, Candice added. Candice stated that David maintains his competitive spirit even when he is playing with his daughters. Elephant falls into 50 feet Tamil Nadu well, 2 cranes deployed for rescue. A video surfaces. A sub-adult female elephant weighing approximately 3 tons fell into a 50-foot rye farm well on Thursday at Yalangundur in Tamil Nadu, following which 2 cranes were deployed for the rescue operation. The animal is healthy and active. Once we sedate the animal, we will lift it outside using the crane safely. That's the plan, the district forest officer said. Railways rolls out double-deckers AC coach with 160 km/h speed potential. Indian Railways coach manufacturing unit in Punjab's Kaburthala has rolled out a new generation double-decker AC chair coach with a potential speed of 160 km/h. The coach with 50 seats in the upper deck and 18 in lower will run on all major routes. Safety trials will be conducted before the coach is inducted into operations, the railway stated. A US firm creates app to translate cats meow. A US-based software engineering firm has created an app that records the sounds of cats and attempts to identify its meaning. The Meow Talk app currently has 13 phrases, including feed me and leave me alone. The company eventually aims to develop a smart caller that would translate the cat's meow to human voice speaking through the caller. Japanese firms to start experimenting with digital yen in 2021. Over 30 Japanese firms will begin experimenting with the common private digital currency next year in an effort to promote digitalization, Japan Incorporation said on Thursday. The group's chairman Hiromi Yamoka, former executive of the Bank of Japan, said, "We don't want to create another silo-type platform. We want to create a framework that can make various platforms mutually compatible." Quentin Tarantino to release novel version of Once Upon a Time. Filmmaker Quentin Tarantino is turning his 2019 film Once Upon a Time in Hollywood into a novel under a new deal he signed with publisher HarperCollins for 2 books. The books will mark Tarantino's first work of fiction in print, and the novel is said to be published in the summer of 2021. Google removes 5 unauthorized fintech apps from Play Store. Google has removed the 5 digital lending applications that were unauthorized by any financial regulator from the Play Store, the reported The Times of India. The apps were OKCash, GoCash, FlipCash, eCash and Snapit-Loan. These apps were downloaded several lakh times, offered short-term credit at very high interest rates, and even harassed and abused users in some cases. India ranks second in global ransom payouts for cyber attacks, said survey. Indian firms were the worst hit by cyber attacks among Asia-Pacific nations and stood second globally in ransom payouts as per the survey. While 74% organizations in India suffered cyber attacks, 34% paid between $1 million to $2.5 million as ransom to hackers. The survey added that Indian firms are threatened by cyber attacks originating from China and Pakistan due to rising geopolitical tension. This parrot name is Alex. The last words of Alex the parrot to his caretaker was, "You be good, I love you, see you tomorrow," he said. During World War II, the Taj Mahal's dome was covered with bamboo scaffolding by the British government to make it difficult for German and Japanese bombers to identify it. The small piece of metal between the pencil and the eraser is called ferrule. The average amount of time a woman can keep a secret is 47 hours and 15 minutes. The OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo and Realme are owned by one parent company called BBK Electronics.